We can use the Name Manager to set a fixed name for the cell area, which can be more simple and intuitive in function calculations. Take this spreadsheet as an example. We can select the cell range and click the Name Manager in the Formulas tab. Its shortcut key is Ctrl F3. In the pop-up dialog box, click New, enter a custom name, select the scope of use, and finally click OK. In this way, we will give the cell area a name, and later when we edit complex formulas, you can directly enter the name for reference. To facilitate the demonstration, we choose a simple sum function to sum this area. Enter equals sum fruit. Then we can get the calculation result. After understanding the usage of the function, we can enter the Name Manager interface again, where we can view all the stored names and filter them on the far right. If you want to modify the name, click Edit after choosing it. Did you get it?